Maintenance fee is more than 100. Do you think your heart is too dark? So what's going on? And we're looking down. This is an induction cooker sent by a fan. Let's take it apart and take a look. Is his packaging quite tight? A main board, a panel, so let's take a look at the panels. This is a beautiful induction cooker. It left the factory in '04. It's been out of the factory for almost 20 years. His main board is also relatively old. His auxiliary power uses this transformer. What about below us? Just plug it in, connect the coil, test what's going on. This induction cooker is very special. As for the fan, he has also repaired it himself. He is also a shopkeeper. Now doing amateur maintenance, he came to repair it for a few days and didn't do it well. Then this machine was sent to Shantou, and an old master repaired it for him. I heard from this fan that it has not been repaired for half a month. And finally, I gave up. It's sent back to the fans' homes. What about the fans? They sent it to me again. I just looked for it. And there was a piece of paper in it to put a 339 diode of this chip, 805-80550 adjustable. Let go of these big capacitors. Chat with him later. All these electrolytic capacitors have been let go. This chip is let go of the sticky big capacitor and let go of it. What about these other resistors and capacitors? Each one has been disengaged and checked for these patches on the back. What about these? All have been checked and there is no problem. Let's power on first to test what's going on. Remember the cooker coil. Sensor cooling fan, now power on the test. Power on and put a piece of paper on it before. Test it with a little water. Turn it on now. The fan takes up water and does not heat up. No trouble codes. If it is not heated, please call the police every few seconds. This is the fault report. Police not heating. What's the problem with the next test? Turn it off first. What about these parts when the power is cut off? I just scanned it again. These resistors, diodes, transistors, these are fine. All electrolytic capacitors. No obvious damage was found. These chip diodes in the back. The transistor resistors. I have missed it just now, and I didn't find any obvious damage. Let's check his induction cooker and his working voltage. Check if it is powered on normally. First, measure the 310 volts voltage. Very stable. No problem. Test the 15-volt power supply again. Very stable, 33 volts. Also very stable. Measure 5 volts again. Very standard, stable. It means that there is no problem with the power supply of the whole machine. Let's test the CPU first, its power supply. Its CPU is MC908QY-HA. Let's test if its power supply is normal. This is the corner 123. Keep coming. This is the last corner. It's on standby now. Let's test his voltage. First, the first corner. 5 volts is very stable. Second corner, 0 volts. The third foot voltage is beating. His beating is not normal. Fourth foot. Also beating the fifth foot, 0 volts. The sixth angle, 5 volts, is very